Meaning of embed.
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 Imbed. I believe you meant embed, which means to place something firmly and deeply within another thing or to make something an integral part of something else. When you embed something, you are ensuring that it becomes an inseparable part of the bigger picture. This term is often used in the context of technology, where data or other forms of content are embedded into websites or other digital platforms. For example, a YouTube video can be embedded on a website so that visitors can watch it without leaving the page.